Hey guys, today I'm going to be fishing in my creek. I got a little, for my rig today, I got a little Zetco slingshot. I got it at Walmart for like $12. And for my bait I'm using today, I'm using little pieces of bread. Just kind of getting some and just rolling it in little balls and putting it on there. The water is like really muddy right now, and I'm gonna be fishing like probably 2 foot deep, I guess, if I could ever get the thing off. So fishing about 2 foot deep with a little Zetco slingshot. You can buy them at Walmart for about $12. And for bait today, I'm just using some bread. I've not fished in this creek in a while. Like, it's been a very long time. I don't even know if there's fish in here anymore. And sorry guys, I got the hiccup, so I'm like, but yeah, hopefully that'll go away. Okay, first fish of the day. Got this little minnow here. Like I said, the only thing I'm using is a little piece of bread. Fishing about 2 foot deep and about this 2.5, 3 foot hole of water here. Water is really muddy. Right there's the fish. It's bleeding a little bit. There it is. Not real big. Just something fun to do. See, the only thing you gotta do is just get you a little piece of bread, pinch you a little piece of it off, roll it up in a little ball like this. Just, my hook's a little bit too big, but it'll do, like you seen. And just hook it and just pinch it on there. That's what I do. And then I just throw it out there and wait for one to bite. And like I said, I'm using a Zetco slingshot today. Bought it at Walmart for about $12. And just using a piece of bread. Got another fish. This is a pretty big minnow, actually. This is a really big minnow for this creek. It's probably not big for your all's creek, but for my creek it is. We don't have that many fish in this creek that's big. I don't. That one. Pretty good size minnow. Pretty fat. Good, healthy fish. But, I have, on up the creek, I have a spot where I fish at. It's got bluegill in it. But we might have some videos there soon. And it's right in the middle of fall right now, almost winter, so here for long it's gonna be too cold to fish. And make sure to go check out my friend's YouTube channel. It's called Young KY Outdoors. He does like trapping videos, fishing videos, gun videos. He basically does the same thing I do. And also go check out my friend Ethan's video. And his channel is like all of ours combined. It's called Country Boy, Ethan, Blake, Mason, and Luke. Like, we're all one big YouTube channel on his, and we have like checking trail cameras and just hunting and fishing and riding dirt bikes right now. But we've not got that many videos. But make sure to go check those people out, and make sure to like and subscribe. And if you like these fishing videos like this, make sure to tell me in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.